In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable a disabled Microsoft Word Zoom slider. The Zoom slider is a handy feature that allows you to quickly adjust the magnification of your document, making it easier to read, edit, and review your work. Sometimes, however, this slider can appear grayed out or completely disabled, and it can be frustrating if you need to change your view quickly. In this tutorial, I'll show you several methods to restore it so you can adjust your document's zoom without any issues. First, open your Microsoft Word document and check the bottom right corner of the window. If the zoom slider appears grayed out or inactive, the first thing to check is your document view. The zoom slider works best in print layout, web layout, or draft view. Go to the View tab at the top of the screen and select Print Layout. Switching to this view often restores the slider's functionality because some views, like Outline or Read Mode, can disable it. Next, check whether your document is protected or restricted. If the document is marked as Read Only or has editing restrictions applied, Word may disable the zoom slider. To fix this, go to the Review tab, click on Restrict Editing, and make sure that editing restrictions are turned off. If prompted, enter the password or request access from the document owner to enable editing features. Another factor that can disable the zoom slider is a maximized or snapped window configuration. Sometimes, when Word is not fully maximized or is docked in a particular way on your screen, the zoom slider can become unresponsive. Try maximizing the Word window to see if the slider becomes active. You can also resize the window slightly to refresh the display and restore the slider's functionality. Additionally, check your ribbon and status bar settings. Right-click on the status bar at the bottom of the Word window and make sure that the zoom slider option is checked. If it's unchecked, the slider will not appear or function. Enabling this option will bring the zoom slider back to the status bar. Finally, if none of these steps work, try restarting Word or updating to the latest version. Sometimes a simple restart or update can resolve minor glitches that affect interface elements like the zoom slider. By following these steps, you should be able to restore a disabled zoom slider in Microsoft Word, making it easy to adjust your document view whenever needed. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss another tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.